Okay, now last but not least, I'm going to show you the magic ring. You're going to wrap around your fingers. You could do 2 or 4 fingers. You can even do one once you get it down. Go underneath the first string and pull the second through. Then you're going to grab the second string again and pull it through the loop that it creates right there. That's going to create like a circle with a slip knot at the end. I'm going to show you a second way of doing a magic circle as well, which may be a little bit easier for some, but I usually do the first option. Slip knot, and you're going to do 4 chains. You're going to slip stitch into the very first chain, which would be 4 chains from the hook. And you're going to yarn over and pull through both or everything. That's going to create a circle. So once again, let me show you. Let's do a slip, do the slip knot another way. Okay, you're going to chain 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, and you're going to slip stitch, go in and pull through and all the way through to create a slip. I'm sorry, a magic circle. I'm going to show you the first option one more time. Wrap the yarn around your fingers, create the X, go underneath and over, pull through. Then you're going to pull the second string through, all the way through the circle or knot there. And that's going to create your magic circle.